So earlier today, I had this weird need to actually start making clips again. So I decided what's the best way to start doing clips. I'll download Premiere. I saw that the Premiere package was about like 200 and something a month, and then I saw there was something else called Adobe Rush. So Adobe Rush is like a super simplified program, which I have here on the other display. Let me show you here. And basically, it's a very simple editing program, just like Adobe. Basically, you've got your tracks down here, and then it's much more simplified. So I have like a 2-minute clip here, which I can just start playing. Basically, here it just shows like most of the format that I use, depending on how to make the video. So basically, I just need to make a quick video, and then I thought, like, what am I gonna do? So I just started getting this, and I could see there was a whole bunch of integrations, a lot of simple stuff. And to do vlogs, my biggest issue has always been time. I never have time to do it properly. It always takes like 5-6 hours. I'm always on the move. I don't want to transport that much. I want to get something that works on my Mac really simply. And then I was just trying to figure out, like, what can I do to actually make it just like simple and work out? So I just started working with this, and I think I installed it at around 5 o'clock. No, 4:30. Then I went to the Counter-Strike. I just got a clip downloaded. I recorded that on Streamlabs, and then added it to the video clip. And then I just started adding titles and a little bit of motion graphics. There were some stock things included from Adobe Stock. And basically, like you can see here, it's the video is compressed down from like 24 minutes or 22 minutes from like start to finish into like 2 minutes and 24 seconds. And basically, I connected all my accounts, which you can see here. I just added a quick description for YouTube, which is pretty sweet. And then I just added the format that I wanted. It was recorded in high quality, so it gets like 60 FPS, 1080p. And then this is basically the upload process. So right now it's just uploading it to YouTube, and it's also uploading it to Facebook. We're actually preparing the videos. Then you just hit publish, and then it just uploads it to the different formats. On Facebook, the quality doesn't look super good. On YouTube, it's perfect. And then the downloaded video is also amazing. So this is me actually checking through the different pages just to make sure that it didn't upload it incorrectly into anything else that was running. And then the video was already online. Like basically 45 minutes from start to finish, not knowing how this program works at all. I have some experience with Premiere, but definitely not like an advanced level. I could be if I wanted to. It's not a hard program. Downloaded it, changed the description a little bit, and this is me making the post that's segueing into this video right here. So basically, it's an easy program to use. I can definitely recommend it if you want to do like quick editing videos. And I don't know, maybe I'll just keep making more content. This has been a very good Sunday for me so far. So basically what we can do now is we can just check out this amazing video that already went on YouTube real quick. It's super amazing how fast it actually went to create this kind of video, considering that there are a lot of elements that I didn't add. I didn't edit music or anything else. I made a transition here, that's about it. And for vlogs, that's basically recordings, and you can do actually a lot of stuff to like color correct and everything that you need to do. It's not super complicated, it's super easy to use. You get the clip, you get some graphics in that you can add like that, and you're basically done. So that's just a quick edit here while I'm trying to start setting up my office space and everything else for like more edits. So there you go.